Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Before we jack up the car, we're parked on level ground, and we're going to set the parking brake because we're jacking up the front of the car. We're going to leave the rear wheels on the ground. We're going to roll our jack underneath. We're going to find the jacking point just behind the oil pan. Make sure you don't jack up the oil pan. And get the jack set up here. Make sure you're doing this on level flat ground. Get this lined up. Bring the car up. Get the wheels off the ground. All right, we'll set our jack stands up right here, right between these two notches in the pinch weld. Put our lock pin back in. Set the jack up the same way on the other side. Put our lock in. Slowly lower the floor jack. I'm just going to leave the floor jack in place. Just take some of the weight off of it. But the majority of the vehicle's weight is on the jack stands. We'll jack up the car, take it off the jack stands. Push the locks out. Do the same for the other side. This one out. Lower the vehicle to the ground.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.